guys, it's Miss Moore. As you know, I'm not here today. You were taking your Unit 4 test today. Remember that, as always, this test is two parts, part multiple choice, part short answer. The short answer portion of the test is at the front. You may get that from the sub. Remember on the short answer to leave absolutely nothing blank. Try everything, okay? The multiple choice is on Canvas, as always, and the sub will write the passcode on the whiteboard at the end of this video when I say what that passcode is. During the test, remember that you may only use my laminated copies of the green reference tables. Those are at the front on top of the Chromebook cart. You may also use my scratch paper that can also be found in the same place on top of the Chromebook cart. You may use a writing utensil, pen or pencil, I don't care. You also need to use your assigned calculator and your assigned Chromebook. At no point should you have both parts of the test on your desk at any point. So do the short answer, then do the multiple choice, or vice versa, doesn't matter. Just make sure that your Chromebook is closed and off your desk when you're working on the short answer, okay? Make sure you are keeping your eyes on your own paper. Remember, there are multiple versions of this test, so looking at your neighbor's paper probably will only hurt you anyways. I need to know what you know, not what your neighbor knows, okay? So I'm trusting your honor. Please also remember to use the chemistry reference tables throughout the test. Remember, the element names are on pages 3 and 4 in the middle of the reference tables, okay? So check your element names. Don't forget, potassium is K, right? Sodium is Na. So check these so you're not missing questions based on something so silly that you have in front of you, okay? The short answer today has 60 points on it and features things like you drawing the structures, doing calculations, writing names and formulas, okay, for covalent compounds. If you use scratch paper, please make sure to write your final answer on the short answer paper and attach that scratch paper to the back by stapling it, okay? If you are doing scratch work for the multiple choice though, I don't need that. You can recycle it. There are 30 multiple choice points today. That's on Canvas. Make sure you're on the lookout for ionic compounds throughout this entire test, okay? Ionic compounds are from last unit, but they can be in this unit. Remember, that was one of our student objectives, is to be able to compare and contrast ionic, covalent, and metallic compounds. So please be on the lookout for those. If you see a metal, name it ionically, not covalently, okay? If you have trouble, please send me an email using the Chromebook at the end of class, or send me a text at some point later about what your concern is, and I will have access to my phone/email all day, and I'll be able to get back to you fairly easily. At no point should your cell phone be out today. It's a test day. So please take a moment now and make sure it is put away and it is on silent or off, okay? Because at no point should it go off. The sub should not have to remind you of this, okay? If you are in my standard class, also please right now go ahead and turn in your study guide before the test begins. Everyone's going to turn in that molecular polarity worksheet to me tomorrow, Friday, at the beginning of class. Make sure you have your scratch work with that. Otherwise, the max grade you're going to get on that is a 50, okay? We will also have our notebook Unit 4 check tomorrow in class. Be ready for that. Once you are done with today's test, please grab a spiral review from the front. You're going to work on that spiral review as soon as you are done with the test. Anything you don't get done will be done for homework tonight, and you'll be handing that in to me tomorrow during class. It is front and back. The back is a T-chart, though, that you're just kind of filling in, comparing and contrasting ionic compounds. The front is a review of units 1, 2, 3, and 4. So make sure you take that seriously. The midterm's coming up, so it's pretty helpful. Try doing it without your notes. It might help you know what you know and know what you don't know. All right. Remember, I grade spiral reviews by picking half, and I grade them half for accuracy and half for completion. I pick 5 at random, so make sure they're all correct and they're all complete and you've done your own work. It's meant to help you. I thank you in advance for your good behavior. I know you will behave well today. I also wish you good luck. This is a Unit 4 test. Many of you will do well, hopefully. You've done everything you need to do. You had a couple extra days to study. I suspect if you do your best and try your hardest, you should be fine, okay? Behave. Let me know if you need anything. I will see you on Friday. Okay. So the passcode for today's test is molecules. Nothing is capitalized, and it is plural. So molecules, M-O-L-E-C-U-L-E-S. If you're taking the multiple choice, you may begin. Remember, if you click out, you must alert the sub immediately. I will be watching, and I will give no questions asked if you don't tell the sub immediately. I will assume you are cheating, okay? If you're beginning the short answer first, go ahead and raise your hand so that the sub may give you your short answer. The sub's also going to provide you with a table of electronegativity values that you may use through the entire test, okay? So it's a little bit bigger than the one I gave you in your notes. It has all the electronegativity values, okay? Good luck. See you tomorrow.